I do think that this kind of workshops brings different things that are very important. First of all, we bring the active role of the World Bank as facilitator, which enables all the stakeholders to bring together, to be brought together to a same place in a level of trust, and that's an important role of the bank. Another thing that we bring is the tools and methodologies. Workshops like this one work because basically people are engaged into thinking about problems in a different way, and that's why we use the canvases, we use the design thinking methodologies, and in order to make people think a little bit out of the box, and that's another thing that we bring. And then into this workshop we brought the experiences from the experts that were able to create concrete actions and concrete organizations that nowadays are sustainable, and they can be considered success cases and inspirations for the rest of the people that are here. You always learn a lot when you listen to people. So in this workshop we learned about how these topics, and which are nowadays trendy topics such as open innovation, such as open government, collaboration, can apply into the context of Gran Concepción. And we learned that there are very nice organizations already working in the field. We learned that there is space for trust to be created and for new areas of collaboration. And after all, I think we learned that some of the experiences that we have from other countries can also apply in developing countries if the right conditions are created. I think the community responded quite well. You have here at the workshop representatives of the universities, of the public sector, of the private sector, and from the civil society as well. And they brought different perspectives into the discussion, and each one of them responded in a different way, but each one of them brought a different value. But I do feel that from the feedback that we got, the community responded very well, and there's going to be concrete actions in the future. I truly hope that this workshop helped to change Gran Concepción. I do know that it helped at least to shift the minds of those guys that are here, that have been working for those 2 days, because they realized two important things. First is that there is a learning process in any organization and in any country when inherent to create new stuff. And the second thing, which was really important, is that there is the possibility of creating a collaboration environment in Gran Concepción. The ideal outcome would be to have an innovation hub implemented in Concepción in the near future.